The dark mode was introduced for Microsoft Windows and Office in 2016. And apart from the option being aesthetic, there are significant benefits for your screen having high contrast and predominantly dark colors. This is because individuals who spend a lot of time in their computer screens using a dark color background may soothe their eyes, in contrast to the bright backgrounds that put a strain on the eyes due to strong light. So if you want to turn on dark mode in our Microsoft Outlook, make sure to follow the steps in this video. So as a first step, launch the Microsoft Outlook in your device and sign in with your account. Then, click on the File tab and select Office Account from the left options. Now by clicking this, a wide range of settings related to the account will open. So in here, you have to click on the Office Theme drop-down list, and your options of theme are white, colorful, black, or dark gray. So in order to enable the dark mode, choose one of the last two options listed, the color black or dark gray. And once you have selected one of these options, you have now enabled dark mode in the Microsoft Outlook application. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.